Bob, kung ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng pang-build automatic na motor dyan, ito ang kunin mo, ang Yamaha MIUI 125 color variation of white cyan. Agay for beginners, dual purpose, pwede pang selfie, pwede rin pang business type na motor. Napakaganda ng kanyang color variation. So napakasilaw rin ang kanyang headlight, is halogen bulb type. Turn signal left from right is valve type. So naka single pot caliper pa rin, single hydraulic disc brake. Size ng kanyang gulong sa harapan is 70 by 90 by 14 so tube type. So mags na rin ang kanyang rim. So front suspension is telescopic fork. Yamaha emblem logo, Yamaha 3D emblem na nagbibigay background sa iyong Yamaha MIUI 125. So sa left side makikita ang high beam, low beam, turn signal left from right at saka horn, back brake. Sa right side naman makikita ang throttle, front brake, push start. So naka analog panel board pa siya. So dito makikita ang odometer, eco indicator, high beam, low beam indicator, engine check indicator at fuel gauge. So meron din siyang side by side pocket at single hook na nagbibigay kapag meron kang pinamili sa palengke or helmet, pwede siyang masabitan. At 5-foot board with flexible riding position. So rear suspension is unit swing. Rear brake is mechanical leading drum brake. So tube type pa rin ang kanyang gulong. So size ng kanyang gulong sa likuran is 80 by 90 by 14 so tube type. So sa taillight is halogen bulb type. Ito naman ang kanyang muscular muffler at muffler cover. M-shape na grab bar at redefined seat. So sa kanyang toolbox, ito ang kanyang compartment. So malalagyan ito ng mga gloves, kapote, mga resibo or mga documents. So fuel supply system is fuel injection. Fuel tank capacity is 4.2 liters. Recommended gas is unleaded. So ito rin ang kanyang basic dose. So naka blue core, more power and less fuel. Starting system is electric starter, a kick starter. So meron din siyang smart stand switch. Kapag sinight stand mo ang yung Yamaha MIUI, mag-shutdown ang yung makina. For city feature, ito rin ang kanyang kickstart. Pag hindi mo gumagana yung electric starter, mapapandar mo pa rin kasi meron siyang kickstart. Meron din siyang anti-tip. Para iwas nakaw ang yung Yamaha MIUI. So gagawin mo, meron siyang magnet. Point out mo lagi ito.